Let's turn 2 kilos of chicken into weeks worth of frozen chicken. For me, this is the best way to meal prep chicken. Parang nag-grocery ka na lang sa freezer mo. Individually packed portions of chicken. All you have to do is to air fry or fry them. I have some chicken breasts, I have some chicken thighs. Pakita ko sa inyo how I prepare them for the freezer. Let's start with marinated chicken. You can make your own marinade or just get some from the grocery store. This is actually my favorite. This is just Cajun marinade that I got from the grocery store. Halo mo lang siya sa water and imamassage mo lang siya sa chicken. This is perfect for Cajun pasta, fajitas, spicy chicken sandwiches. All I have to do now is to put them in freezer bags. This one naman is a pepper steak marinade. This is a little saltier than the Cajun marinade, so hinay-hinay lang sa paglagay nito. Again, massage na lang sa chicken. Kayo na rin bahala sa portion size ng different packs of chicken For me, it's usually 2 to 3 pieces of chicken thigh. For the rest of my chicken, hindi ko na sila ima-marinate. This is diced chicken thigh. Perfect ito kung gusto ko ng orange chicken or Korean fried chicken. I also prepped some chicken fingers. So, in-slice ko lang lengthwise yung mga chicken breast. Perfect na to for chicken fingers or chicken katsu. Yung ibang chicken breast, hindi ko na rin in-slice. Just in case I want to make chicken sisig or some chicken sandwiches. Now, I have bags and bags of chicken. Kailangan ko na lang gawin is to heat seal them. If you don't have a vacuum sealer, pwede namang Ziploc bags nilang. Pag completely sealed na yung chicken, pwede nyo na siyang galawin, i-manipulate para mas maging flat siya. So what I like to do is to press it. Ayan. Just so that it could lay flat in the freezer. This is completely optional, but I like using my label maker to label these. And there you go. That's my chicken prep. I spent about 800 pesos and I spent almost an hour prepping all the chicken. And I know medyo matagal yung pag-prep ng chicken. Pero next time that I cook, sobrang dali na. I just need to defrost it. Or sometimes hindi ko na nga din na-defrost. From the freezer, nilalagay ko na lang siya sa air fryer. Next time lutuin naman natin tong mga chicken. I will see you again. Bye!